Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I am going to share with you all the beads that I have bought from my favorite bead store, which is situated in South India, and it is navrabeads.com. And I love this for their pearls. They have these beautiful shell pearls and their finish is awesome. So I'm going to share with you the beads that I have bought from there. So this one, you can see the packing here, and here these are 8 mm whitish green pearls. I'll just show you the finish. I have been using these pearls since a year and they are really very beautiful and their finish is just great. You can see the finish. These are shell pearls in whitish cream color and size 8 mm, and its price is 225 rupees per string. So I ordered for 2 strings from there. You can see the packing. So these are the two strings that I have ordered. Then I ordered these 4 mm pearls in the same color. Just such a cute packing. And this is again a single string of price 200. And these are again in the same color, that is whitish cream color, and their finish is awesome. You can see the finish of these beads. These are in 4 mm string, and just tell you the length of the string. So this size of this string is about 14 inches, and you can see how beautiful these look. And I have ordered about 6 strings in this color, as I love working with these beautiful pearls. And then I ordered these 10 mm pearls again in the same color, and just see the finish. These are all shell pearls, and I prefer these over the other glass pearls as I don't like their finish, but they are very good and just love working with these pearls in these shell pearls. And then these are again 4 mm pearls in yellowish cream color. These are in yellowish cream color. Friends, these are in yellowish cream color, and the other one that I had shown you, you can say these are in white color and these are in cream color. Both are the same size, 4 mm, and the price is also same, 200 rupees per string for 4 mm pearls. Then I also bought these 3 mm pearls. These are in white color, whitish cream color. These are in whitish green color. I just love the finish of these pearls, and you will enjoy working with these. There's no corners coming out, like, and these does not chip off. So I just love the finish. These are again shell pearls. So these are in size 3 mm. And if you are in India, then I would suggest you to buy from here, because these such a beautiful finish in beads, especially the pearls, I have found in Navra beads only. And these are in rose gold color, again in size 4 mm. These are again size 4 mm. These are in rose gold color, as they have written in the description box, and its color is slightly it's like matches to Rosalina in Swarovski. So they are in light pink color. So it's such a beautiful pink color, you can see. And its price is 175 rupees per string. And then here I have bought these 3 mm pearls These 3 pearls are slightly costlier than 4 pearls. These are in 3 pearls in again rose gold color, and price is 260 per string. And then I have bought these 6 whitish green pearls. These are in size 6 and the cost is not mentioned here. Let me tell you, its cost is again 200 rupees per string. I ordered for 2 strings from there. And then these are in yellowish green color. The previous one was in cream color, and these are in yellowish cream color, or you can say cream color. And the size is 6 and its price is 180 rupees per string. In yellowish green color, it's 180 rupees per string. And then these are again in yellowish green color, and its size is 8 and its cost is 200 rupees per string. So these are some of the pearls that I have ordered from Navra Beads, and I also ordered some Agate rondelles from there. So these are some of the Agate rondelles, and this one is in light pink color. Just look at the shine. They look so pretty. So this is in light pink color and its cost is 100 rupees. And then I bought the same Agate rondelle in this bright pink color. Just love this color. This bright pink color. It is again 100 rupees per string. And then this one is in dark blue color. Just look at the finish. These are again Agate beads in size 4 by 2 and the cost is again 100 rupees per string. And the last one, which is in lavender color, again 100 rupees per string. So these are the beads that I have ordered from Navra Beads, and these are the crystal, or you can say Agate beads, and these are the pearls that I have ordered. So I would suggest, if you want to buy pearls or fine quality pearls, good quality pearls in different sizes, 3 4 6 8 and the 10 pearls, then you can try Navra beads. In Navra beads, you will find these 3 beads only in few colors. One is this cream color, then rose pink color, rose gold color, and the white color. So you won't find many colors in 3 beads, but you can definitely find different colors in 8 and 10 pearls. So I would suggest you to give it a try. And if you really want to buy the good quality pearls, then I would suggest you to try Navra beads. So these are the beads that I have bought from Navra beads, and in my upcoming videos or in my next videos I will show you some of the beads that I will buy from my other favorite bead stores. So this is all for this video. I hope this video will help you, especially my Indian beader friends. So friends, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next video. Thank you and namaste.